This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable Do Not Track on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable Do Not Track, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little bit to where you see it says Send websites a Do Not Track signal that you don't want to be tracked. You want to toggle on this top one here, always. And that is how you enable Do Not Track on the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.